In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Brex to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Brex linked inside ChatGPT, so you can streamline your workflow with just a few clicks. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click your profile icon there. It's the small avatar that opens a quick menu for your account. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where ChatGPT keeps all the controls for your account, preferences, and app connections. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Apps. This is your hub for managing third-party tools that can work alongside ChatGPT. Go ahead and open it. You'll see options to discover and manage integrations. Click Explore Apps, or if your interface says Add More, click that instead. Both options take you to the same place, the app directory, where you can find and connect available tools. At the top of the directory, you'll find a search field. Click into the search bar and type Brex. Spelling matters for search, so make sure it's entered correctly. When the Brex app appears in the results, select it to open its details page, then click Connect. This is the point where ChatGPT begins the linking process. If there are any on-screen instructions, simply follow them. You may be asked to review what data the connection can access and to confirm that you want to proceed. In some cases, you might be redirected to a secure Brex page to sign in and authorize the connection. Just continue through those prompts, approve the requested permissions if they make sense for your needs, and complete the flow. If your browser blocks pop-ups or redirects, temporarily allow them so the authorization window can open and finish. Once you've confirmed everything, you'll be brought back to ChatGPT. Inside Settings under Apps, you should now see Brex listed as connected. That's your confirmation that the integration is active and ready to use. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page and check again. If Brex doesn't appear in search, double-check the spelling or try again in a moment, as availability can vary. And that's it. You clicked your profile, opened Settings, chose Apps, explored the app directory, searched for Brex, hit Connect, and followed any prompts to authorize. With that done, your Brex connection to ChatGPT is set up. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother, more integrated experience.